Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the system actually needs refrigerant because topping off a sealed leak hides the real problem. Put on gloves and eye protection, safety first. Connect the sub-zero gauge hose to the low-pressure port. This is usually near the accumulator. You should have the engine idling, a /C on max cold, fan high. Once connected, read the pressure. A low reading confirms recharge. Make sure to note ambient temperature as it affects target pressures. You now add refrigerant carefully. Open the sub-zero can valve in short bursts to avoid liquid slugging. Watch the low side gauge continuously and listen for compressor stability. If the compressor labors, stop and wait. Make incremental additions, then allow the system to stabilize for 30 to 60 seconds before rechecking. Stir the can occasionally to keep flow consistent. Once the pressure matches the target for your ambient temperature, close the valve. This prevents overcharging and keeps performance. You finish by closing the can valve and disconnecting the gauge hose. Cap the service port to prevent contamination. Run the /C for 5 to 10 minutes and measure vent temperature and gauge stability. You should see a steady pressure and a clear drop in cabin air temperature. If pressures fall quickly or cooling stays weak, you likely have a leak or a failing compressor. Stop and address the root cause. One quick troubleshooting tip: use soapy water on fittings to spot foam bubbles that reveal leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.